CA's session recording system captures video of all on-screen activity while users work in Windows and Unix or Linux desktops and servers, along with advanced content analysis. This demonstration will present highlights of the system's most important features. CA Session Recording provides complete visibility into user activity on company computers through the use of fully indexed and searchable video logs. The system supports Windows and most Unix Linux platforms over nearly every remote access protocol plus local console access. Additional features, which we'll present later in this demo, make CA Session Recording an even more important asset for IT security, IT operational efficiency and effectiveness, and regulatory compliance. Let's take a look at the product in action. At the core of CA Session Recording is the ability to review the activity performed during every session. We can see all the sessions per machine, as seen here in the server diary, or per user, as seen here in the user diary. Unlike many other logging systems, CA Session Recording is all about monitoring user behavior. We can click the video icon to play back any session on demand. For sessions currently in progress, we can also watch a streaming video of the session as it proceeds in real time. The session video player allows us to slow down or speed up the playback and jump to the next or previous chapter with a click, just like on a DVD player. Important session videos can be downloaded for sharing with other people who don't need access to this console. Because large organizations will have thousands of hours of recorded sessions, and because we don't always know exactly where to look, there are two other ways to find user activity of interest without sitting through hours of video. Firstly, if we are interested to see what happened on a particular computer or what a particular user was up to, we can expand any session and quickly review a textual activity summary of what the user did during the session. This summary is automatically generated by the software. In this case, we see that Steve was editing a document called HR Salaries in OpenOffice. Here it looks like he downloaded PuTTY. And here we see that he ran SQL Server Management Studio and then Notepad. If we wanted to see exactly what the user did when he was in the HR Salaries file, for example, we can simply click that item in the summary to launch the video playback from that exact point in the video. The second scenario is for when we are looking for any time someone accessed a particular application, file, system command, configuration setting, and so forth. For this, we use the free text search page. We can search for almost any particular action performed by a user via search keyword. Matching hits will be found in names of applications run, titles of windows opened, URLs accessed in a browser, text typed, edited, paste, selected, etc., commands executed, checkboxes clicked, and much more. In Unix Linux environments, keywords will match commands and scripts executed, and even the underlying system commands and resources affected. This amazing capability is called advanced keylogging, and it is one of the advantages that makes CA Session Recording the most advanced solution of its kind. Let's take a look at a Unix search example. Let's say we wanted to find who deleted a particular file named Salaries. We can use the search page here in the session recording console, but for this example, we'll see how the recorded session videos are also searchable and accessible from within the CA ControlMinder Enterprise Management Console itself. We use the Recorded Sessions tab and then enter our keyword in the Activity Log Contains box, Salaries. We see that a user named Fred deleted this file by running a script called InnocentScript. Of course, if we were only recording the on-screen activity, there would be no way for us to discover that InnocentScript had any connection with the Salaries file because the file name Salaries never appeared on screen. However, CA Session Recording discovered that so-called InnocentScript was actually responsible for deleting this file. Even though Fred knew that his on-screen actions were being recorded, he apparently assumed that he would not get caught because the file name Salaries never appeared on screen. There is much more to CA Session Recording than we can show in this brief demo, but let's quickly touch on a few more of the system's key features. Privileged user identification. The system can be configured to require users to provide a secondary identification when logging in via a shared account, such as administrator or root. This provides individual identification for all administrators and remote vendors logging into sensitive machines without the expense or complexity of a password vault or using password check-in and check-out. The DBA Activity Audit feature provides easy monitoring of all SQL queries executed by DBAs against production databases, discoverable by date, database, DB user, server, login ID, or even any keyword contained within the queries. CA Session Recording contains a wide range of configuration options, making it easy to record or exclude particular users and/or activity zones, such as particular applications or URLs. To protect employee privacy, the system can be configured to require a second set of credentials in order to view any recorded session video. The additional credentials would typically be held by legal counsel or an employee union representative. Other features, just to name a few, include Threat Detection Console, graphical user and server statistics, a powerful report generator, a login message feature, SIM integration, for example with Splunk, and ticketing system integration, for example with ServiceNow. Let's conclude by mentioning the 5 most important benefits that organizations gain when implementing CA Session Recording. Improved IT security capabilities with unique early data breach detection, unparalleled remote vendor monitoring, much easier compliance accountability, more efficient IT operations including faster root cause investigations and effortless documentation of all changes made, and improved employee productivity with better HR monitoring. Thank you for watching this demonstration about CA Session Recording. To learn more about CA Session Recording, contact us today.